These little guys are funny. It's a little tough titmouse. Oh, we got their little chickadee. Had some benches over this morning too. Oh, there's a little chickadee. I was trying to get the finch to come over. We have another little cute bird. I think trying to hide behind the curtain here so they don't see me. So, let's see. There's a little sandpiper looking bird. It's kind of skittish. I think the chickadees and the tough titmouse, they have recognized when I bring the bird seed bag out, and they'll sit there and like wait for me to fill the 2 little houses full of seed for them, the feeders full of seed. I'm hiding behind this curtain here on Daphne's chair. Huh? Is that the... It's a tough titmouse. That's a chickadee. So they're used to me, these 2 are. The other ones are kind of skittish. There's a finch, a red finch, that's I'm waiting to... They like the fruit and the feed. Oh. But yeah, these things are really cool. Yeah, let me back up a little bit here so I think they can see my big phone. Hey, buddy. These things are really neat, and you know, I've had them up for a while. I haven't had not one bird fly into the window, but the thing is, I have them close to the edge down here, so see that? That's the outside windowsill. So they can kind of tell where the window begins and ends and where these things are. But they'll usually fly and land either on the sill or up here. And I'll tell you what, this is the best $20 that I've ever spent, because I like watching the birds, and the girls do too. Like Daisy will get up here. Oh, there was our red finch. Oh. I had the camera pointed at the chickadee. The girls will sit here all day and just watch these birds. And when I'm at work, it really gives them something to do, you know. Daisy likes it more so than Daphne. And this is winter time, and we've got a lot of birds. So imagine in the springtime how many little tweeters we're gonna have over here. Okay, I think they're getting full now. Let's see, they like to hide in this tree up here. We had a squirrel yesterday. Biggest squirrel I've ever seen in my life. He was getting his winter coat in, so he has like a brown rusty color to him. And then now it's filling in with like a whitish color, so they're getting their winter coloring, so they can blend in with the snow and seasonal changes here. Hey, buddy. I think it's cute when they come up to the feeder and they'll like sit there and look at you. They'll like tilt their little head and like look up at you. Especially when there's no food in there and you're getting the food out. It's adorable. Alright, we'll wait another minute and see. I'll kind of like lean back here so they can't see me. I want to get the picture of the finch, but very, very skittish. Thinks I'm going to come through the glass and get him, I don't know. But Daisy will sit there like on her pillow and just watch them all day. It's so cute. Look, there's no leaves left on the trees. It's horrible. Okay, come on, buddy. I don't think they can see me. It's getting around like 9 something in the morning, so they're probably full. Okay, well, we're gonna cut it off for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the little bird fest here. Hope you're having a great day.